we can mutually settle on that.
You have to remove completely and start again.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
I have to work blindfolded. How does that matter?
Today me and Imran from Built Expert are here at Multiple Impression Studio.
And I think they have something exciting planned for us.
So let's
What happens when interior designer meets industrial strength? We are at Multiple Impressions Art Studio for an ultimate mosaic face-off. It's Yashvi Kapadia Designs versus Build Expert. One has the vision and the other has the grip. But who has the better hands? Let's get messy.
Can we start?
Absolutely, all yours.
okay, start with that. I will start with this.
So no pressure.
Actually,
Now the game is on. You cannot prompt like that.
It is tricky.
Ah,
So let's sing a song. Vaishakhi. Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy. Acha, acha, acha. Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy. Acha, acha, acha. आजा रे मेरे पास क्वेश्चन लेके तू
circular. आम्हाला circular
Of
Game
course.
circular.
આ રેક્ટ સ્ક્વેર મોઝેક છે
I know.
ના પણ
નહીં, મગર
નથી જોઈતો ને
મારો
ડિસએડવાન્ટેજ આપવો છે
હા.
we can mutually settle on that.
Ask me a question.
Should I?
Ah, please.
Any random question. Okay. Which planet is known as the red planet? Oh god, there are this easy questions.
Wait.
You don't know?
No,
You
I
don't know?
So, see,
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
I think it should be Mars.
Of course. Of course. Of course.
Okay, I'll get an advantage and she will get a disadvantage.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
Kruti ma'am can help you verbally for 20 seconds. Please stop. You need to
Okay.
help me.
I have to stop or keep doing.
Keep doing.
I can keep doing.
Verbally. This,
See, you wanted to do
See,
that. That's
come
why
on.
you got this.
I am negative. Negative. Let's
Stop. 20 seconds over.
You can ask me one more question.
Would like to take notes while I take
One more question.
हाँ,
Okay.
मारे rapid fire में जीतू पड़से I think.
Which three colors are known as the primary colors? Oh my god. Where are we in kindergarten?
It should be.
2,000 years later.
Please, you
No,
know
I
it.
don't know.
You know
I
it.
don't know. I
Mac.
know two colors.
Can we just stop this here?
Yellow. One is
Now give me an advantage. Come on.
yellow and it should be blue.
I think you're losing
Uh,
time.
and red,
This
red,
advantage
red, red.
is disadvantage
And
for
red.
you.
3.
Wrong.
Red is wrong.
Yellow is not a primary color.
Red, yellow, and blue.
Blue, it's a primary
Ah.
color. It's a
See?
three primary color. I think
I
Imran
will-
bhai act like के मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
No, no, no.
And after that, he slowly. You have
I
to
have a disadvantage for her. Can I remove? You have to remove completely and start again.
goodness. No. You not
okay.
dominant hand for 15 seconds. Okay.
This is very small punishment. 15 seconds is like nothing.
Non-dominant hand use karo.
non-dominating hand.
Okay, so this is my dominant hand, right hand. I'm using
No,
left
she's
hand
lying.
for
She's
15
lying.
seconds.
No.
You want me to do it with right hand? I can do it with right hand. I think I will pick an advantage for myself. I want to
Huh?
have an advantage.
Now she will not answer the question and she will pick disadvantage for me.
No. You can ask me the question. Should I? Yes. What is the smallest country in the world? This is not a kindergarten question.
Yes!
You asked all the kindergarten questions
No.
to me.
Now I know the answer.
You were cramming no rubbish. We have leveled up.
No, this is a
Smallest
kindergarten
country.
question. Yes.
Smallest country. Austria. Okay. You have to pause for 15 seconds. Okay. I don't mind. I don't mind. I
I
can
am
chill for a
on a-
little bit.
I am on a. She's already.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes.
This 15 seconds. 15 seconds done?
No,
Done.
Yes,
done.
done.
it was 50.
Love,
Stress
take
my
question.
own more
Should
questions.
I ask question?
Yes, please.
To whom?
Me.
Okay. Who painted the Mona Lisa? I'm going to walk out of this door right now.
One eternity later.
We know this strategy now. You can say it right away.
No. I seriously don't know this.
You are not in KBC, huh?
You can pass.
No, I
You
don't
can
know the
pass
answer.
to Yashvi.
You did not allow me to answer that, and you want now to pass to her.
Disadvantage.
For me,
Yes.
but then she answered wrong. She did not get a disadvantage.
I did get. I
Yes,
paused
you
for
got.
15 seconds.
I know.
These guys are
You
fair.
made rules for me to lose. I have to work blindfolded. How does that matter? For 30 seconds. I think this is more of an advantage than disadvantage.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग करता है तू
चीटिंग हो रही है चीटिंग.
मेरे को भी लग रहा है इसमें इसको बोलना था.
Done. चीटिंग हो रही है चीटिंग.
मेरी चिड़िया में से कबूतर बन गया है. Am I?
This is wrong color.
See,
Your eyes are open or it is still shut?
The
which
both
is my color. See,
I think I would like an advantage now because I want to complete this as fast as possible.
now she has mixed
So
my
I'll
colors
ask for
also.
a question.
What is the boiling point of water in Celsius?
I think it's 100.
क्या हो सकता है?
100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point.
Take your advantage.
Can ask host one question for health. Am I doing this correct?
Yes, you're doing it fine. Just focus on the outlines. That's what I would like to add.
Okay, done. I think
Look, mine
is-
one is better.
No, mine is better. Yours has very less finishing. Mine is much better.
Let us know in comment which one looks better.